real Belarusian name is Tilkina.
Okay, Elena Tilkina. I'm sorry about that.
Honor of my husband, why not?
I think I'll stick to Yelena Tilkina. And Yelena had her first exhibition when she was only 13 years old. And after that, she completed her art education in Belarus and Russia before she moved to the United States, where she now lives, and her artworks are present all around the globe, and now also in Oslo. So, thank you so much for coming, Yelena.
Oh, thank you.
We're gonna move on to the third and last artist, and his name is Alexander Pushkin.